Assalamualaikum students. Today I'm here to explain you Practice Now 13. That is from the book New Syllabus Mathematics 1 Prime Numbers Chapter 1. All the lectures that is related to the exercise 1A already uploaded in the YouTube channel. So I'm specially explaining this practice now to you because in this practice now they are demanding us to solve the question, find out the prime number with the two methods. Two methods. First is the tree method and second is the table method, and this method especially is this question specially given to you students in week 1 assignment that is given for the summer tasks. So practice now 3, page 9, according to the book page, New Syllabus Mathematics 1. Find the prime number of 126, leaving your answer in index notation. Now, if there is any specific methods mentioned to you that solve this, find out the prime number through table method or tree method, so in that case you are bound to find the prime number according to that method. But if there is no any boundary, so you can solve with any method. So firstly, I will solve this question 126, find out the prime factors of 126 using the table method. So from table method, we will find out the prime factors of 126. Firstly, there's need to divide the number by the factor that is the most smallest factor. As there's 6 at the in the last term, 6 is the last digit, so this is an even number and every even number is divisible by 2. So firstly we solve it by the 2. 12. 2 6 are 12, because if I consider the 1, so 1 is smaller than 2, 1 is not visible by 2. So I take first two terms 12, 2 6 are 12. Now next term is 6. So 2 3s are 6. Now look at the term. Now the last digit of this term is 3. 3 is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. 2 के टेबल में 3 नहीं आता. So what is need to do? Check out the next number, and the next number is 3. Always divide the terms by the smaller number. So divided by the 3. 3 1s are 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Now again this one is odd number and 21 is coming in the table of 3. So we divide it again by the 3. 3 7 are 21. Now we left with only one figure, one digit, that is the 7. Divide 7 ones are 7. That is the prime factorization of 126 by the table method. Now what is need to do? Write this answer, leave your answer in the index notation. So we have the factors of 126. 126 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. What is mean of the index notation? If you watch the earlier videos that I have uploaded, I completely explained about what is the index notation. I have only 1 in this factor, so 2 only once time, so I write it 2. How many 3 we have? 2. So we have 1 2 2 3. So what will be the power, or what is the index notation of 3 is 2. The number of times their digit occur, that number of time will be their index notation. Now there's left only 1. 7. This is your answer. Now this 126 is factorized by using the table method. Now what is demanded in your assignment that you also solve this 126 by the tree method. Now you can solve this question by the tree method also using this listing method. Okay, tree method. Okay, 126. What is our main term that we need to be divided is 126. Make the factors of 126. Just check out. 126 is firstly divided by the two numbers. How many factors from 126 we will get? Just take it in the slating form. 2 and 3 is 63. 2, 63. Now 63, just first solve 126, make the two factors 126, 2 and 63. Now 63 is divided by 321, yani 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So break this 63 as 321. Move this 2 exactly downward. Now 21 again divided by having the two factors 3 and 7. If you noted the line, my line is little bit tilt. This tilt cross factors are the factors of that term, the term that is inside the table. So again 21 having the two factor that is 3 and 7. Now 7 is the last figure. 7 is only divided by the 7. Now you have the factors of 126 is 2, 3, 3, 7. Just write down these 3 in the form of index notation. 2, how many number of 3s we have? We have just 2 3s, so write it above into 2 and 7. This is your answer. So we solve this practice now with the two methods. Question 1 with the two methods. First is the table method and the second is tree method. This is the tree method, basically contain the branches, given the concept of branches. That's why it is called the tree method. It is not necessary that you copy all the time the term that is divided down. It is your own choice. Rather, to skip your point, these points, just taking 2 from this, 3 from this, 3, 3. So 2, 3, 3, or rather, it is your own choice. You also copy these digits that have been completely divided downward. Now we have the question number 2 of the practice now 3. Express 539 as a product of its prime factors. So in second questions, we just find out that we break the 539, make the factors of 539 in such a way that we will represent our answer in the form of product, and how many product and which type of product numbers will be. There should be two product of two prime numbers. So first what is need to do, we just using of table method, we divide this 539. Okay, this 539 is divided by the prime number that is 7. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, carry the other words together. Okay, 4 will be carry on the word 9, so it will become 49. Again, 7 sevens are 49. Now again, this 77 is divided by the number 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Now we have the number 11. 11 is only divided by its own table, by its own self, so 11 ones are 11. We have the factor of 539 is equal to how many factors? 7, 7, 11. Now, we leave our answer as the product of two prime numbers, no more than two prime numbers. So, I just write down this answer in the form of index notation. So, how many 7s we have in these factors? 2. So, we have how many 7s? 2. So, make it the power with 2. 2, it is also called the power, it is also called the index notation of 7, or then multiply by 11. So from this 539 is represented as the product of two prime numbers. 7 is a prime number, 11 is also a prime number, so it is your answer. Okay, we have one more question, that is your assignment. Exercise 2 question, exercise 1A question 2 part C. After doing this question, after doing this practice now, so I hope so after doing this you can easily try question 2 part C by yourself. Thank you.